everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd do you a bit of an update. I haven't done a video for a while, so I thought I'd do you an update on the £1,500 Discovery, what we've done to it and how much it's cost. Let me see if I can find the keys. So this was the £1,500 Discovery. We did the video on what you can get for 1,500 quid. Just swap the camera around now and show you what we've done to it. Unfortunately, it rained on it with that storm where all the sand come down, so it was looking pretty good, and now it's pretty dirty again. But we'll show you what's been done to it. Right, so there it is. If you look back on the other video, you'll remember that the wheels all needed painting, so them have been refurbed. We did that ourselves. Pretty good job of that. They've been sanded down, painted and lacquered, 2K lacquer. So that cost in total, what, probably 20 quid for the paint, deck of cards, and that was sorted. So it's now got 4 wheels of the same colour, and they are looking good. Lights have been polished. That was a bit of polish we already had, so we consider that free. Bumper, there's a video on that. Plastic welded it. We've got the plastic welder, we've got the plastic, we've got the filler. I don't know, 10 quid's worth of stuff to do that. The main issue of the noise under the bonnet, which was the power steering pump and power steering box, no leaks now. That's all been done. That was 90 quid for a power steering pump and a power steering box, 10 quid for some fluid. What else has been done? We scraped and painted the chassis with some chassis paint. You can see it's the same sort of stuff we painted the tail bar with there. So that's about 25 quid's worth of paint. One thing we had to do, the most expensive thing on the car was, I don't know if you remember, but there was a crack because it had delaminated here and it got a crack running across that we didn't see, so we had to do that as well. So the windscreen was £170 fitted, and what else have we done to it? New battery, because they nicked the battery, so that was 100 quid as well. Then it had a washing and cleaning, and the interior was done, which we did ourselves. So we cleaned all that up. Smells nice now. Did the roof liner. Did that in black. That was just the price of some paint again. The 20 quid's worth of paint. And the other thing we did there, and there was new brake lines. Went in for its MOT, and it had one fail, which were the brake lines. So we did them as well. Grand total at 25 quid plus some fluid. So all in all, probably 2 grand on the car. It's a 91,000 miles ES spec in really good condition, with no real rust anywhere on it. So for 2 grand, that's what you can get for 2 grand if you shop around and buy the right one. Tyres are a little bit perished. That was one advisory. That's the only advisory. Tyre walls perished. The tread on them's brilliant, but the tyres themselves are cracked. Didn't fail. Wasn't advisory. All in all, nice looking disco. With 91,000 miles, it's going to make us a really nice car. So we've got that nice thing, and we'll probably keep that one. Or we will. Because you ain't going to find another one like this for that sort of money, and the money going up in value. It seems to keep creeping up in value, so we're going to keep it. But yeah, that's just an update on that one. So please like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll continue to do updates. We've got some good news coming soon. We'll be doing a few more cars, a few more repairs, so like and subscribe.